Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Just Dance on Xbox One. First, make sure your Xbox One console is properly set up and connected to your television. You will also want to ensure it has an active internet connection for any necessary game updates. Once your console is ready, simply insert your Just Dance game disc or download the game directly from the Xbox Store. This initial setup takes only a few moments. Just Dance offers flexible controller options. Many players prefer using their smartphone. Simply download the free Just Dance controller app and connect it to your Xbox One. Alternatively, if you have an Xbox One Connect sensor, you can use it for full body tracking, which means no handheld device is needed. Whichever method you choose, ensure it is correctly synced to your console before starting. Once your game is loaded, navigate to the Just Dance icon on your Xbox One dashboard and launch it. Inside the game, you will find various modes to explore, like the classic Just Dance mode or the World Dance Floor for online play. Browse through the extensive song library, pick your favorite track, and get ready to move. It is that simple to start your dance session. To achieve high scores in Just Dance, focus on mimicking the on-screen dancer's movements with precision. Pay close attention to the pictograms that appear, as they give you a heads-up on upcoming moves. Consistent practice is key to improving your timing and accuracy. Remember, the goal is to have fun while also trying to hit every move perfectly. Keep dancing and enjoy the rhythm.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.